In this video, you'll learn how to get started with Paperclip AI. By following these steps, you will be able to launch the application and navigate its basic features effectively. Begin by locating the taskbar on your desktop. This is typically situated at the bottom of your screen. Once you see it, move your mouse cursor to the search bar. Click on the search bar to activate it. This action allows you to enter text commands. Type in new to open the command prompt application. After entering the command, press the enter key on your keyboard. This will launch the command prompt window, which is a black screen with white text. Now you are ready to execute the Paperclip AI command. In the command prompt, type Paperclip AI run and press enter again. This command initiates the Paperclip AI application. Wait for a moment as the application loads. The loading time may vary depending on your computer's performance. Once Paperclip AI is finished loading, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the application is running. At this point, you need to copy the URL that appears, which is usually http://12s7. Next, open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. This can typically be done by clicking on the browser icon located on your desktop or taskbar. After the browser opens, click on the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you will enter web addresses. Type in the URL you copied earlier, which is http://127.0.1:310 and press enter. This action directs your browser to the Paperclip AI dashboard. Once the dashboard appears, you will see various options and features available in Paperclip AI. To begin using the application, locate and click on the Create. After clicking on Create Issue, a new window will pop up. Here you can enter details about the issue you want to create. Look for the Times button to close any unnecessary windows that may have opened. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard by clicking on the dashboard option. This will bring you back to the primary interface of Paperclip AI. From the dashboard, find and click on the Agent section. This area provides you with information and options related to agents within Paperclip AI. Continue by clicking on the Inbox option to view incoming messages and notification. This is essential for staying updated on any tasks or communications. Next, select the Work option to manage your ongoing projects and tasks. This section is crucial for tracking your progress within the application. Click on Issues to review any reported problems or challenges related to your projects. This will help you stay organized and address issues promptly. And navigate to the Routines section. Here you can set up and manage your daily tasks and workflows, enhancing your productivity. Afterward, click on the Goals option to define and monitor your objectives within Paperclip AI. This feature is important for achieving your desired outcomes. Next, locate the Pro X section. This area allows you to manage various projects you are working on within the application. You will then find the Agent section again. This is where you can dive deeper into agent management and settings. Continue by selecting the CEO option to access executive level functionalities and analytics within Paperclip AI. Finally, click on the Company section to view company specific information and settings. This completes your initial setup and navigation of Paperclip AI. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.